Setting up your Wi-Fi and app. There's nothing better than having control of your connected home, except perhaps being able to do it all from the palm of your hand. That's why the app features everything you need to manage your whole home Wi-Fi experience. Best of all, you can install it yourself and be up and running within a few minutes. Let's begin. With your system connected, you can get started with the app by downloading it from the App Store for iPhones or Google Play Store for Android phones. Once the app is downloaded, open the app in your phone and tap Let's Get Started. Next, you'll need to sign up. Tap the Sign Up link at the bottom to begin. Now you'll need to fill out the registration form with your personal information. When creating your password, remember to choose a strong password that is unique, but that you can also remember. Now plug your new system into the power outlet. It will take several minutes for the unit to be ready with a solid blue light. Once the system is powered on and ready to go, scan the QR code on the bottom or side panel of your system. As an alternative, you can enter the MAC address and serial number of the plate in that location. The scan may take 15 to 20 seconds to complete. You may be asked to confirm your account number. You can find this on your statement. If you are setting up Wi-Fi with this system for the first time, you will need to name your network and create your Wi-Fi password. Congratulations, you're now ready to command your home.